Why do we, for Cladding Services, need to know whether or not your wall panel that you're lifting is either horizontal or vertical? That's a question we get asked quite a lot, and today I'm going to answer that for you. So let's get to it. Put simply, it comes down to two things. Number one is the machine configuration that we send out to you, and number two is the machine accessories or pieces of equipment that we send out with the machine. Number one, the machine configuration. What you can see here is a Clad Boy that is set up for horizontal wall panels. You can see that the suction pads extend out to the sides of the machine, and these go along the length of the panel as if it's a horizontal wall panel. Same machine configuration, put a vertical wall panel up there. You can see that it physically will not fit onto that panel. And this is where we need to introduce a piece of kit called a 90-degree turn bar. As the name suggests, it turns the bars of the machine 90 degrees so that the suction pads run from the machine out, down and up vertically, so that it's the same plane as the vertical wall panel. If we don't know whether your panels are vertical or horizontal, then we don't know whether or not we should send out that 90-degree turn bar, and that's a key piece of equipment. So coming into the point two, which is some further machine accessories. So there's two accessories on a Clad Boy vacuum lifter that are determined by whether or not your wall panel is either vertical or horizontal. The first accessory is the safety strap. We have horizontal and vertical safety straps. As the name suggests, again, horizontal safety straps come in pairs, and they are for horizontal wall panels. The vertical safety strap is a singular safety strap, and that is for vertical wall panels. Whether or not you're lifting vertical or horizontal determines which safety strap we send out with the machine. The second piece of equipment is something called an offset lifting eye. And the lifting eye attaches to the top of the Clad Boy. The offset lifting eye literally moves the lifting point of the Clad Boy further towards the panel, the middle of the panel, so that your horizontal wall panel lifts in a straighter way, so that it's easier for you to deal with. So you might ask, why the hell don't we just send all the accessories and all the bits of kit, regardless vertical or horizontal wall work? Well, it comes down to two things really. If we start sending unnecessary equipment and accessories that you do not need on site, it can create confusion. And the second thing is that it's just more equipment there for you and your site operatives to lose and misplace. Nothing worse than if we turn around and say that a vertical safety strap is missing. We will pass a charge on for that. So you don't want to be charged for pieces of equipment that you've never used, you probably didn't even realise were actually there, for the simple question of, is your wall panel horizontal or vertical? We can save all that heartache, time and effort for everybody.